Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Make your way to this 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom house for sale. It is located on Montgomery Way in Stony Hill. It is approximately 3,800 square feet and sits beautifully on an approximately 0.27 acres of manicured lot. There are 3 levels of living. The entrance level has 2 workspaces, laundry room, and the staff accommodation. The main level has open concept living and the dining area with glorious high ceilings that opens to the expansive entertainment veranda. The view and air of relaxation here is lovely. There is also an entertainment room, kitchen, family den, and outdoor deck. The bedroom level has 3 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. The primary bedroom is truly a suite with a spacious bedroom, walk-in closet, and bathroom that fits a shower and a tub. There is also a basement for additional storage and a covered carport. This home has been thoughtfully designed with spaces together as well as relax or work undisturbed. It is the place that you can call home for decades to come. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 750,000 or Jamaican $115.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.